And when a natural disaster happens, the Coastal Bend Regional Advisory Council is one of the first to help with recovery efforts. Now that the COVID-19 pandemic, its main focus is the movement of medical supplies. Chris 6 News reporter Roland Rodriguez has more.
The Coastal Bend Regional Advisory Council is responsible for the safety of 19 counties in the South Texas area.
Well, we work on this all year long. I mean, we work on preparedness for all hazards. So that includes, infectious disease and high consequence infectious disease, natural disasters, biological, radiological, nuclear, and so on.
We have plans for pandemics. We've practiced, we've done exercises, but we haven't actually responded to a pandemic in 50 years, 70 years. So it's different than our normal responses.
During this pandemic, the CBRAC is working closely with hospitals, healthcare agencies, and city and county officials.
Sharing information every day on hospital bed availability, ICU beds, ventilators, monitoring those numbers, just so that we're prepared when the time comes when we do see our peak in this region.
The biggest challenge for the Coastal Bend Regional Advisory Council is getting personal protective equipment to the right agencies.
We get supplies every day in varying amounts, from 1 pallet to 10 pallets to 15 pallets. Just depends on the day and the ability for our state partners to source. Our needs still exceed the supply, just like everybody else in the state. But we're doing our best to get some resources to as many partners as possible.
The goal for the Coastal Bend Regional Advisory Council is to make sure everybody, not only the hospitals and EMS, who are a top priority, but also the nursing homes, the skilled nursing facilities, home care agencies, hospice, and even dentists get the supplies they need. Reporting from CBRAC, Roland Rodriguez, Chris 6 News.